Hello everybody, my name is James Howe and this is Chef at Home. I aim to give you inspiration to make better food at home. In today's video, we have another of my mystery ingredient challenges. So let's see what you voted for this time. Right then. Yeah, I was right last week. Fancy bag, you're supposed to put your hand in like this, that's what she wanted. Ingredient 1, sweet corn. Number 2, sweet chilli sauce. Okay, can work with that. So far so good. Pickled eggs. Right. Pork mince. And last one. Chorizo. Fuck's this? You've had this far too easy. In fact, she once said that after 15 years you could probably cook with one hand behind your back. So today you will. Good luck, dickhead. Yeah, I deserve that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I'll be perfectly honest. This whole one arm thing has really thrown me. So in the time that I should have been thinking about what I'm going to do, I wasted it on whinging. Probably isn't going to go all that successfully. Right, I'm going to try make Scotch eggs. Said one hand tied behind my back, didn't say I couldn't use it, so get in. Now I'm going to do these quickly, I'll try to anyway. And so I've got a pan on to deep fry them. Right, pork mince. Shit. Season it with a little bit of the sweet chilli. That was way too much, shit. Here's a lesson for you husbands. Be careful what you say around your wife. So I mush up. Okay, next, eggs. I'm gonna open the fucking jar. Couple out just in case. Breadcrumbs. Here's one I made earlier. And then some eggs for the pane. Turns out your left hand's quite bloody useful. Yep, that's a straight line. I'll do. Oh mate. So the idea is you lay out the sausage meat and then roll it around the eggs. It's not going to go that well. Yeah, the paper was a bad idea, but I generally couldn't think of how I was going to get cling film off the reel. Right, screw that plan. Right, my eggs rolled. Not the neatest things in the world, but it'll do. Supposed to do like wet hand, dry hand here. I do not have that luxury. Don't want to bring up a sore subject for the British public, but Scotch egg on its own, it's not a meal, is it? Plus I've still got a couple of ingredients to use. Right, in there you go. Chorizo. It's like the hardest thing in the world to chop as well. Yeah, skin off. Nobody wants to eat that. Alright, I've got another pan on. And this is going to be the roughest chop in the world, isn't it? Smells lovely, mate. How's everyone else? Having a lovely day, are you? Bastards. Right, chorizo into the pan. I am so glad that that's got one of them pulley things, because I have no idea how I would have opened that if it didn't. Can't get it out the packet. Jesus Christ. Parsley that I've picked up from the larder. Just going to season that little sweet corn. So I guess it's like a relish really. I haven't used much larder this week really. Breadcrumb, flour, extra bit of egg. How am I going to season stuff? I can't do it. Oh. Right, I am rapidly running out of time. I have to whap out a probe, I think. Hey, they're cooked. Alright, shut up. Cheers. Okay, so got the chorizo, sweet corn, parsley, got a compote thing. Sauteed all that together. Sort of a go-to safety zone really. If you're in doubt, do a bed of something. It's probably giving away all my tactics. One of these Scotch eggs. They're already pickled eggs, so they're not going to be runny. Sit them on there. Finish with a little bit of grass and just a little bit of the oil from the chorizo. A couple little drips over the top, just to infuse it a bit. And there we go. On time, you know. Oh. Right, well, I did a terrible job of talking my way through that because I was totally thrown by the arm thing. Why not being able to use my arm stops my mouth? Don't really know. So I used the pickled eggs, pork mince, the sweet chilli, made that into a Scotch egg with some flour, egg and breadcrumbs that I have from the larder. And then I've used the sweet corn and the chorizo to make like a compote and put fruits and chopped parsley. Right, taste time. The initial taste is good, but then the pickled egg just totally overpowers it. A bit of heat from the sweet chilli, chorizo, there's a bit of sweetness there, sweet chilli and the sweet corn. It's just not up to the task. Do that with a normal egg. Decent dish. A pickled egg knocks your friggin' socks off. Oh. That'll clear out your sinuses. I'll put a new poll out on my Patreon for the next episode. Jesus Christ, links in the description. That's me done. Thank you for watching Shit with Sugar on. Can't remember what episode it is. I think it's 8. Ta-da.